moment is I'm actually planning to get new chest of drawers here, but because it's like obviously in an enclosed space, it has to be like an exact measurements for it. So I've been on the hunt for one for a while. Still can't seem to find one. So all my clothes are everywhere because I don't have enough storage. Right, let's lock in and clean this fucking room. All clean. This is still work in progress. This is all better now. Over here, all clean. Shoe rack, kind of like not sure what's going on there. Sheets are in the wash, ready to be cleaned. Drink bottle. But yes, very happy. I am now heading to Louis now. I'm always complaining about my hair. I don't know what to do with it. I thought dyeing it brown would make me love it more, but I just think I need to shave it off or something because it's really just aggravating me. I am wearing what I wore in my last vlog, just the same top. How cute is this? From Glassons. And then my staple jeans that I always wear, which are Princess Polly. I don't think you can actually get these anymore. I wish they could come out with like the same pair but in a black and like a different style, like without the rips and the paint, because these are the petite ones and they just fit me perfect because I have quite short legs. It's like a thing with me. My jeans always drag on the floor. Even these ones I have to like fold a little bit, but like literally the most perfect jeans. They used to never fit me, but now they fit me and I just love them. And then I've just got my Archies, which I don't love my Archies. I like my Havanis, my Habis more, but they're just good. I think I just need to wear them in a bit more because I just feel like they don't, like they're not on my feet correctly. Anyways, I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. Seriously, I'm like going on and on. I go to Louis, packed my overnight bag. If you guys need a good bag, you need to get one of the Mr. Winston bags. I think it's so perfect. I also, when I was at uni, I used it too, and it's just the best bag ever. It fits everything and it's literally like waterproof. I actually took it all the way, when I went to Japan, it was my carry-on in Japan and it's like, it's gone everywhere with me, guys. But I've had a really productive day today. I cleaned my room as you saw before and I edited my vlog, which is going up tomorrow. I've set it to go up tomorrow on Tuesday because I like to post on Tuesdays at 6. And I meal prepped a little bit, so I'm gonna go to Louis now and just spend the night with him. I think we might go to Yochi or something, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I got my nails done today. How do I even show nails? Like, yeah, I really like them. I just don't love the shape. I got like almond and I'm not really a big fan of almond. I usually go for more round, but they are growing, which is good. I'm really loving this Biap. She says that like next time I come in, they're going to be like, she'll be able to shape them a bit better because they're all a bit like uneven. I mean, not uneven, but like she's like, you'll be like, it will look better. She's like in that awkward stage. It's like I'm like having a baby or something and you can see my bump. That's pretty much it. Last night was good. Me and Louie made some smashed potatoes, smashed tacos, which is always really good. And then we just went to bed pretty much. And then this morning I woke up and just like went to go get my nails done and ran a couple errands. And then I've got work for the rest of the week. So I'm going to do some meal prepping for my next 4 days at work. And then I'm just going to chill and just watch some HBO. What's that show that I'm watching at the moment? HBO Good Girls. Lie or something? Big Little Lies. It's actually really good. Big Little Lies is a HBO drama revolving around a group of mothers in California who become entangled in a web of secrets, lies, and a murder. It features all-star cast including Reese Witherspoon, Nicole Kidman, and Meryl Streep. It's quite good, guys. So the other day I watched like 30 minutes of it. I keep picking my nails. You know when like they don't get rid of like the corner bits? Anyways, I watched like 30 minutes of it the other day and I actually quite liked it. So I'm going to finish off that as well. And then I'm just going to chill. ASMR. Got a package from Iconic. I'm on the hunt for a new kitten heel. I mean, I have like 18 million heels, but the kitten heels that I have, they're not comfortable. So I thought end of year financial sales, Iconic with the sales, and I saw these and liked them. So from this brand, can you see that? Love it. Really slim box. Anyways. Oh, that is just the perfect heel. I wanted like a mini kitten heel where I could walk miles because the heels that I have are just, they're not cutting it out for me. I don't really know how I'm going to model these because my toenails aren't done. What was the price of these? Oh, got like a little DoorDash moment. Enjoy 50% off your first 2 orders. Well, I already order off there, so. Oh, I don't know how I feel about these. Are they small on me? No. Let me walk around and let me do a run test. Can we see? No. That's what I'm wearing today. I'm literally in the most horrible mood ever. I don't even want to go do anything today, but I'm just going to force myself. Top Supre pants are, where are these from? Cotton On. Habi's Ovi Cami Citron bag. If anyone needs a good staple bag, I recommend the Cami Citron. This one. I don't know what one it's called, but it fits absolutely everything. Be surprised how much you can fit in here. I think I'm just gonna go get a coffee. I was gonna go to Chatty, but I literally cannot be bothered. So, too big. I liked them. Hello everyone, I'm feeling a bit more lifted. My spirits have been lifted. Got a almond iced latte from, what's this place called again? It's in Chatty. Blakeaway. Best sandwiches. So I've heard. I'll try them. Not yet though. I'm so hungry. I went to a couple shops. I was gonna spend a bag in Sephora, but I said I'm gonna step back, think about it. There was this spray that makes your hair less frizzy. I don't know if it's really made a difference, but I kind of love and I kind of need, so I might buy it online And then when I was in Blakeway, they had those like chocolate, like, what are they called? Mate, I have the worst fucking memory. Chocolate crackles. So I'm gonna make chocolate crackles. Got all the ingredients. Icing sugar, what else? This stuff, which I always look at the shops, and it's literally just coconut oil. Crazy. You could literally just like go like this after the shower and just like put oil all over you. Yeah. Anyways, and then I got these are on sale. Little protein tings. Love, love, love. I've never had them before actually, so I saw a girl the other day at work eating them and I was really like, what are those? The jorts I got. They're literally like the ones that I wear all the time, my boyfriend's ones, but in grey. So I've got black and grey. I've claimed the black ones from my boyfriend. And then I got these, like, I really want to get Ray-Bans, but I'm going to wait till my birthday. Boyfriend can get them for me, I think. One of my presents. So I just got these ones for now. At, like, one of those, like, weird, like, you know the glasses places in the middle of, like, the shopping centre? So I got these. Why are they blurry? Oh, there's little things on them. Which I think are really cool. Quite like a sleek moment. Very 90s. I just need to adjust the little nose things. Love, like, so hot for the summer. Anyways, really love them. We'll take off the little fucking... Actually, I can't even take it off. It's like stuck there. Anyways, I'll put that back in and I'll try these little sandwiches. I've heard on the grapevine that these sandwiches are quite elite. I got like the combo pack. There's the chicken one, egg filling and leg ham, which I'm actually really excited. It's got like pickles in it and honey mustard. I'm not really excited for... Oh my god, I think they hit that car. Oh shit. Anyways, not my problem. These are really good if you just want to grab and go. And I didn't really want to get like a hot meal when I was there. So I got these. Look how cute. Oh, they're just so good in Blakeway. Seriously, that place is beautiful in Chadstone. So the chicken one's like truffle, chicken, mayo, spinach. Oh my god, I'm opening this really horribly. And they're so like finger like size. Oh my god. That is unreal. Riley Armitage always raves about this place. I saw a TikTok on it and I was like, I'm gonna get that today. I have the egg ick at the moment. It's really just a classic egg sandwich. This one, not my favorite. I have the egg ick at the moment, so that's kind of making me feel a bit sick. We've got, what's in this one? Leg ham, pickles, cheese, and honey mustard. Wow. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Where was that before the vlog?
I don't know. I don't have much energy anyways, but it's Sunday today. It's the last day of the weekly vlog. Didn't vlog yesterday. Actually, I think I vlogged a little bit. Actually, I don't even think I vlogged. I just wasn't really in a mood and whatever, so When you have like a sore nail,
Yeah.
it's all there. Anyways, I'm nice and pale today, which is great. Love it. We're going thrifting today actually, because Lewis's football. What is it? Football club.
Yeah.
Have an event next week. What's the event? It's like there's 2 people getting married, and then we're like op shop wedding theme guests.
Yeah.
So I have to try and find something that will kind of represent me shopping at an op shop, which I can actually probably do, but also I want to look chic. So come along with us to find some outfits. What are you wearing? You want to wear an oversized blazer fit?
Yeah. Yeah.
With like a golf old
wear-
man's like
yeah,
Peaky Blinders hat. Yeah.
Yeah.
Basic. Also, what is that? Loving this. And I want to go like black midi, kitten heels, and then I'm actually gonna wear a golf hat too, but backwards. You guys will see the vision next week.
It'll be good.
Yeah.
Next week's vlog, tune in.
But yeah, we'll see if we'll find anything. I went to like heaps of op shops yesterday, and I just like nothing ate, so we'll just wait and see, I think. Anyways, how far away are we? 13 minutes?
Tired this morning.
We'll see you in 13 minutes. Just made it. Found some stuff. Not sure about this bow, but we've got a few options. We've got a few options. We're ready. This one, I don't think I look good in this style because I've got a big bum, so it makes me look a
I
bit.
like that one. It's cute.
This is option 1.
It looks cute.
Pale as. It's too tacky. I don't like the material, but really just emphasizes my bum. But no, it's not. I don't love it.
It's not terrible. I don't mind it.
No. I do like this.
Remember, we're meant
color.
to-
I like the midi.
It's on low charge, your camera.
Yeah.
Also, but you gotta remember, it is like meant to be a tacky op shop. Sparkle, sparkle.
I kind of love this.
It's good.
The only thing is because I got a fat ass. This is quite big in the back, but I would actually wear this. I'm very pale, but I would actually wear this. I'd fix the straps. This is a great option.
It's good.
We just finished off at Savers. I've decided I'm wearing a suit. Like oversized blazer suit. Because none of the dresses look cool. So wait and see for next week. We went to Southland and I got some rice paper rolls and Louis got a barmy. Also rolled iced tea. Best iced tea, isn't it, babe?
Oh yeah.
It's so good, isn't it? Alright, babe, we gotta go because I gotta go to work.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.